As retirement nears, replacing your paycheck becomes crucial. Social Security alone often falls short, covering only a fraction of your pre-retirement income. Aim to replace 70 to 90% of your income through a mix of Social Security, pensions, savings, and investments. Transitioning from saving to spending requires careful planning. Consider delaying Social Security benefits for higher payouts. If you have a pension, decide between lump sum or monthly payments. Annuities can offer guaranteed income, providing financial stability throughout retirement. Managing withdrawals from retirement accounts is key. The 4% rule suggests withdrawing 4% of savings initially, adjusting for inflation. Required minimum distributions, RMDs, start at age 73, ensuring tax-deferred accounts are tapped. Understand tax implications to optimize withdrawals and minimize tax burdens. Longevity risk or outliving savings is a concern. Diversify income streams with Social Security, pensions, annuities, and savings. Plan for healthcare costs, including long-term care, to safeguard your financial future and ensure a steady income throughout retirement. SafeMoney.com provides tailored retirement income strategies to help secure your financial future. Our independent network of financial experts can help you optimize Social Security, explore annuities, and effectively manage your savings. Visit us today to create a lasting retirement paycheck and enjoy peace of mind in retirement planning.